bienvenida a mi cocina. Welcome to my kitchen. We're gonna be making some rice and beans or arroz con habichuelas. I'm just gonna make this for dinner, and I was like, oh, I'll show them how it's done, and you know, hopefully you guys learn and like it because it's really delicious. It's a Puerto Rican dish. I have some oil heating up in this pot at like medium to low to medium heat, just a little bit. You can hear it sizzle a little bit, so that's how you know it's ready. Nada, tenemos aceite aquí, está ya casi precalentado, está low to medium heat, y vamos a empezar a echarle las cositas. Vamos a echarle jamón para sofreírlo. Do you hear that? Very important, yo te voy a poner todos los measurements. I'm gonna put all the measurements and everything in the description of this video, but I'm gonna show you the process and the key things to make it really good. Seasoning and levels, so it's a key. So you have your ham here, you're gonna sofreír all this stuff and you're gonna season that. Then you're gonna add your rice, etc. You're gonna season that. It smells so good. Like, I would love for you to be here and smell this. You're gonna add your sofrito to this. See that color? Pepper. Some salt. Now the key thing with this is when you put your rice in, you're gonna put your rice before the water, okay? And you're gonna coat your rice. Now have low heat while you do this. You're going to coat your rice with your bean and sofrito mixture. Now we're gonna turn it up to medium high, okay? And we're gonna put a lid on it. Alright, so this rice is done. See how loose it is? Doesn't stick at all. That's good rice. Aprovecha. Hi! Let me see how it looks. Because these cabinets are fucking crazy. Esto, y vas a poner esto y this is it.